Hey bike enthusiasts, if you ride a bike, e-bike, or scooter, you know the panic of leaving it unattended. Today we're checking out the best bike locks of 2025, from lightweight but tough U-locks to ultra-secure D-locks. I've tested these in real-world scenarios to see which ones can really keep your bike safe, whether it's parked outside a cafe or your apartment building. Links are in the description if you want to grab one while we dive in. The OnGuard RockSolid U-Lock is perfect for riders who want solid protection without lugging a ton of weight. Its 14mm shackle with X4P locking mechanism is angle grinder resistant, making it extremely hard for thieves to break. Measuring 3.5 inches by 6.9 inches, it fits most frames and wheels easily, and it comes with 5 keys, so you can give spares to family or friends. In real-world testing, this lock held up against prying attempts and heavy leverage tools, and it's surprisingly lightweight, so carrying it around doesn't feel like a chore. Whether you're locking a mountain bike, e-bike, or scooter, this is reliable, practical, and budget-friendly. Want a lightweight yet strong U-lock? Check the description for the OnGuard RockSolid link. The Kryptonite New York Standard Bike U-Lock is the classic heavyweight for ultimate security. With a 16mm hardened steel shackle, it's designed to resist cutting, sawing, and leverage attacks, making it ideal for high-risk areas like city streets. It comes with a mounting bracket for easy transport and a set of keys for convenience. In real-world trials, even heavy-duty attempts with bolt cutters couldn't compromise it, and the lock feels reassuringly solid in hand. If you want peace of mind when leaving your bike outside in urban areas, the Kryptonite New York Standard is a go-to. Looking for top-tier security in the city? Grab the Kryptonite New York Standard in the description below. The Hiplok D1000 unisex shackle lock is designed for everyday convenience with solid protection. Its unique wearable design lets you carry it around like a belt, which is perfect for commuters who want quick access without carrying extra weight. In testing, the D1000's hardened shackle held firm against most common attacks, and its compact design made it easy to maneuver around bike frames and poles. While it's not invincible against angle grinders, it's a great balance of portability, strength, and practicality for urban riders. Want a wearable, commuter-friendly bike lock? Check out the Hiplok D1000 in the description. The Abus U-Lock Granit Super Extreme 2500/165 HB 230 is for those who want maximum security against serious theft attempts. Rated ABUS, security level 15, it's designed to withstand saws, drills, and angle grinders. Its hardened steel construction is exceptionally durable, and the locking mechanism is near impossible to pick. In real-world testing, it held firm under multiple cutting attempts, and the precision engineering made it feel solid without being overly cumbersome. If you're parking your bike in high-risk areas or leaving an e-bike outside overnight, this ABUS lock is almost thief-proof. Need unbeatable professional-grade protection? Grab the ABUS Granit Super Extreme via the description. Finally, the Squire Stronghold D16 Max D-Lock takes maximum security to another level. Designed with a 500,000 key differ high security cylinder, it's resistant to angle grinders, picking, and brute force attacks. It comes with a key card and 2 keys, making replacement easy and secure. In real-world tests, this lock stood up to serious cutting attempts, and the D-Lock's size allows it to secure both frame and rear wheel efficiently. If you want peace of mind knowing your bike is safe in high-theft areas, the Squire Stronghold is a premium choice for serious riders. Want industry-level security for your bike? Check the description for the Squire Stronghold D16 Max link. And that's a wrap on the best bike locks of 2025. Check the description for links to grab your favorite and keep your bike safe while riding or commuting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews and cycling tips.